RTE. That was not good at all. That buffering, boy, I tell you what. Move this over here. Lost my system for a minute there. All right. Now, where were we? Am I streaming now? Okay, yeah. Boy, lost connection there for a little bit. I wonder, am I still up everywhere else? Does not look like I'm up on YouTube. Let me go back out here to YouTube real quick. Oh, it cut me. Okay, let's see if it started a new one. Looks like it did start a new one. I lost connection for just a little bit. Whatever. I wasn't in any trades anyway. That's crazy. At least it started a new one for me. Gotta redo some things here. Okay, so I should be back up now. Do not know why that's not showing up though. Let me go. Let's look into. Okay, I need to shut down. Why am I not seeing my restream here? There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, now we're good. Okay, anyway, a little bit of connection loss right there. Where was I? NRBO. Tesla still pushing up there. G-Sun holding right above the went down there and almost tested that 205. But of course, we've kind of identified the stocks that are actually moving, which is Tesla and AMD and a couple of others. Nvidia looking like it wants to break for new highs, breaking now over new highs. Highs up there at the 163s. XPEV. Watching NRBO for a dip, for a fall, for a short, I mean, because that's what it's setting up for. NRBO, I'm telling you, the attention is on these ones that's blasting up right now. Once they start coming down, then we may be able to look at the low floats. But as of now, they just got too much gusto, bro. Too much gusto. Too much sauce in the can. So I may wait a little bit. Definitely when those top movers fall down, I'll be more interested in the low floats. But as of now, just not giving me a whole lot. ONCS came back up just a little bit, only 3% though. None of these are huge movers in what we're looking at. Nothing's holding over 10% or anything. So I'm just very, very cautious with all of these. NRBO dying here. So getting down there to the 150s, and this is what I was saying. This thing is overextended. Plus, it's already got a top that it went up to that is going to be very hard for it to get back up to. When we were looking at these, it was getting like maybe 7 cents per candle, movement here on the body. This one got what, 146 up to the 156, so about 10 cents on its best candle. 10 cents. So this one went from what, 150 all the way up to 180. That's 30 cents. That is out of the norm. So we saw 7 to 10 cents here, and then 30 cents here. The probability that it's going to do that again is very low, especially for this price range. All right, so G-Sun does have a double bottom down here. The 206 is kind of floating around. I mean, it may give like a quick scalp or something. It's got 5 million shares traded, but it's just not in the competition. May give like a small pop, maybe a retest to maybe 220. So that's maybe a 10-cent winner. But with this much descension from the 250s, what is the possibility it go? Wow. Well, it's under 2. Gee whiz, look at that dump down there, man. Let me wait. Let me pull that up over here. I was watching it on the other one. Look at this dump here. Wow. Right back into, now this is the blue line that I said I did not want to see this thing come through. And where is it headed? 194. Looking to break that down. I don't. Ooh, that's nasty. That's that line in the sand. But with this much momentum going downwards, there's no way. There's no way I'm trading that. Nope. The shorts have taken the cake. This one has died from $2.50 all the way down to the $2. That's crazy. And is it red on the day yet? I think it should be red on the day. G-Sun. It was an educational company. Yeah, down 17%, and now about to go red on both the percent on the daily, not the daily, but going below its previous daily low. What I mean, looking like it wants to break down at $2. So yeah, not worth it in my opinion on G-Sun. Poly continues to just go sideways here. NRBO. Waiting for this one to actually dump. How much time does this one have to this hour closes? 30 minutes. And it's just now getting started going down. So it has broken back below previous resistance and given us an indecision right here at right around the 155. So I'm thinking that'll be the new resistance here. 155. And we'll see how far it can get away from this. But it's looking like it wants to go red on the day as well. Still up 30% though, so people could come in and see it still up. Maybe once it dies, it may be up like maybe 15%, and they'll be willing to trade it. But at least it's not like this. G-Sun is dead. Dead. NRBO giving up the ghost. Telling you, man, you gotta find that. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla continuing to rip. Like what? Even if it's not a low float, this kind of movement right here is a very, very bullish move. This is a $6 rip here on Tesla. AMD coming up here to a double top, finding a little bit of resistance right here at the 77. But with the way that Tesla is moving and the way that the SPY continues over the 400, it may go ahead and break that high as well. NIO, same kind of setup. All of them kind of moving like that. Let me look at the SPY. SPY, look, exact same thing on the SPY. Got almost a double top up here, 401. We'll see if it ends up breaking that, but that is a big buy up from the 400 up here to the 401 there. So sellers got to really work to get this one down, and it continues to look like it wants to inch higher. So be careful in the low floats, because the low floats are definitely popping up there. Let's see if it'll break. 401s. Let's see if it'll give us that get on up there to the 4. Yep. 402s getting snapped. So that's what I'm saying. You got to find that strength. SPY is very strong right now, and so large caps are very strong right now. They're getting going, or not really large caps, but stocks that are very dependent on the SPY, very dependent on the overall market. SoFi waking up now, $4.70. So yeah, G-Sun has definitely lost the bet for me today. I don't even. All these low flows are dead to me, bro. Dead. For some reason, ONCS is coming back up, but I don't know. ONCS, we looked at that one yesterday, had a big fall off. But yeah, getting a little bit of action back up to this previous area of consolidation, which was the 450, should become resistance here on ONCS. Had a previous resistance level right in here at the right around 450, and it got up there and is touching that now. Very low volume still, 480,000 shares on it, and definitely not a top mover, but was moving yesterday. It's the only low float above 10% right now. So, I mean, well, above 10% and green on the day, I gotta say. But yeah, definitely will probably be the thing that attracts everybody. But no catalyst on it. It wasn't any catalyst yesterday either. Just had a big fall off. And we can look here on the daily chart to see that it had that nice gap up here and just absolutely drained all the way back down to the 396. It's above the 390s right now, but can it really hold it? We'll see. Only up about 20 cents from that 390 and already pulling back heavily off that previous. And this is why I look for previous levels of consolidation, because in those levels they can become very strong resistance or support. And that's what we're seeing here. Got up there, touched that level that was previously tested, and finding some harsh resistance there. Poly looking like it wants to take a little dive down under the 350s. Gearing up, already red on the day, red from pre-market, so it's already tested its previous this gap fill that I had called out. Fill the gap fill, and then now finding a lot of resistance at that gap fill level. See if we can spot anything else on the scans here. TBLT giving up the ghost to the downside. Poly, nice little stair step pattern going down, hitting that low, breaking through that low, breaking through lows, breaking through lows. So Poly definitely not looking the greatest. And G-Sun, I'm thinking G-Sun could just go sideways, really. Sideways, everybody will forget about it. Tesla up through those 179s. It was at 177 at first, but did break out almost to the 180s. AMD continuing up strong as well. NIO absolutely killing it. So this is definitely a low float nightmare. You're trying to trade low floats. You're like, I wonder why I'm not getting the movement that I usually get. Well, let's look at the chart patterns. What's the strongest things on the day? Not only the strongest, but where's the volume? Where's the odds at? And we can see even on NRBO here, it's got 26 million, but look how fast Tesla is catching up in volume. Even just being up 5%, right? That volume is catching up quick. And the ones right behind Tesla also catching up very quickly and are green on the day. So they have that momentum and people are playing those higher pushes. And it may just not be that. It may be options and everything getting traded on these as well with high volume. So that 26 million NRB is going to start dropping down this top volume list because we can see GSUN is already the last thing. It's about to fall off. So yeah, everything that had potential is done. Got about 15 minutes. I'll see. I really don't see anything crazy. I think today is going to be a large cap moving day. Wednesday being a hump day, which is expected. The day before Thanksgiving, I wouldn't expect anybody to be risking big on a low float. Well, not any big fish anyway, especially with this kind of movement on the SPY. So yeah. But I am definitely in the business of protecting my my account, and I do not want to be putting money into these things that are not going to be profitable for me. I'm looking for obvious plays. I'm buying dips. I'm looking for obvious plays into support to buy for those bounces. It doesn't have to be a big bounce. It really doesn't. You know, 300 shares, 10 cents. That's $30. If it goes 20 cents, great. That's, you know, we'll just add it up. But like, it's whatever. Trading 300 share positions, and I need to be very particular of where I'm putting my money. And I need to understand what's going on in the overall market and the surrounding ideas that are being orchestrated here. Because that's all it is. It's a big orchestra. Someone's out there just, yes, you know, you just got to be with the composer and not against them. Because if he tells the trumpets to play and you're over there smashing the cymbals, you may get caught slipping. Pally going on down there. Go ahead and remove that one. Not too interested in it anyway. NRBO. ONCS lost this. Let me see. What was the volume here? 115, 112, 263, 59. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. Has no reason to come back up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and kill this whole watch list. If something else pops up during the day that has better news or something, maybe, you know, I may see it, but I'm probably gonna be somewhere else making some money doing something else. I'm not gonna waste a lot of time looking at this. All I see is trash. Now, I do understand we are trading in the trash can, but I like to pick the cleanest trash. I wanna pick something that's very clean if I'm gonna be eating trash or eating out of the trash can. And nothing today said clean or in any way. Everything is dirty and manipulated. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I don't think we're gonna see much more with Tesla and all these other ones being strong. The low floats are dead today. So I would definitely say if you're going to continue trading, be quick, but be wise. Don't get into a car accident that you know is coming. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and shut it down. I'm gonna get me some breakfast, and you know, I will continue watching on. If I see anything, I'll be in the Discord. If you guys see anything, speaking of Discord, let's go ahead and put that Discord link in there that I always forget. Let's go ahead and post that Discord. Copy. Okay. So there's the Discord link. Also, you can check out the rest of the content on the Framework Fortune Media Network channel. Framework Fortune Media Network channel is where all of our creators, anything that we create goes onto that channel automatically. So if anybody in the network posts, it will be there. I know Ben has been super busy with the projects that he's working on. Of course, you'll see him dime in every now and then, but he's definitely on a mission out there in the project that we're working on in the NFT space. Of course, if you want to check that out, we do have a Twitter. I mean, not a Twitter. Well, yeah, Twitter too, but we do have a Discord for that as well. DLA DAO here. I will post that in the chat as well here. You can just jump into this to kind of see and hear about our project that we're working on there. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to shut this thing down. Anything else? Nah, I'm really not excited about the market today. It's just not the day to be trying to do low floats. So I'll come back on a better day when it's not raining and pouring. So today, I don't know what. I guess I had a little disconnect during the stream or whatever, but it's whatever. It happens. You guys have a great day. I'm going to definitely keep you guys updated. And remember that this is the day before Thanksgiving, so it's kind of gonna be wishy-washy anyway. So don't get caught up and don't go into Thanksgiving in a bad mood. But yeah, keep your head on the swivel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.